For years, language learning apps were mostly flashcards, quizzes, and memorization. But AI has completely changed the experience. Today, we're looking at the best AI-powered language learning apps in 26 and finding out which one stands above the rest. I'll cover each app's biggest strengths, its weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. At the end, I'll reveal my personal favorite based on the overall learning experience, AI capabilities, and speaking practice. Let's begin with Duolingo Max. It's one of the most recognizable language learning apps and now includes AI-powered explanations and role-play conversations. It's polished, fun, and incredibly beginner-friendly. The biggest advantages are its huge language selection, addictive gamification, and easy daily lessons. However, conversations still feel somewhat guided, and many learners eventually outgrow the repetitive lesson structure. Next is Babbel. Unlike Duolingo, Babbel focuses on structured lessons and grammar. It's designed more like a professional language course than a game, making it popular with learners who enjoy organized study. Babbel explains grammar very well and offers carefully planned lessons. On the downside, it feels less personalized than newer AI-first apps, and conversation practice isn't its strongest feature. Now let's look at Talkpal AI. This app puts AI conversations at the center of the learning experience. If your goal is speaking confidently, Talkpal immediately becomes an interesting option. Its conversations feel natural, and there's plenty of speaking practice. The downside is that lesson progression isn't always structured, and grammar explanations can sometimes feel a bit limited. Our runner-up is Praktika. Instead of simple chatbots, Praktika use AI avatars that simulate conversations with virtual tutors, making lessons feel more interactive and engaging. Praktika creates an enjoyable learning environment and helps reduce speaking anxiety. However, some learners may find the avatar approach less flexible than completely open AI conversations. Now it's time for my number one pick, Enverson AI. What impressed me most is that it doesn't simply teach vocabulary or grammar, it focuses on helping you actually use the language naturally. The conversations feel remarkably human, and the AI adapts to your current level. Instead of forcing everyone through identical lessons, it adjusts based on your progress and learning style. Another thing I like is the feedback. Corrections happen naturally during conversations, making it feel more like practicing with a real tutor than completing exercises inside an app. It's not perfect though, because it's built around AI conversations. It has fewer game-like features than some competitors, and learners who prefer textbook-style lessons may need time to adjust. Overall, though, Enverson AI delivers the most complete AI language learning experience I've used. It combines natural conversations, personalized learning, adaptive feedback, and practical speaking in one platform. So my final ranking is Duolingo Max, Babbel, Talkpal AI, Praktika, and in first place, Enverson AI. If your goal is becoming fluent through real conversations, this is my top recommendation. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments which language learning app you're currently using.